Hello guys, welcome back to another gaming video on SAF Studio. Pause it right quick. Anyways, today we are going to be playing on a website, not Roblox this time, on a website. So, we're going to be showing you guys how to get debug mode, stage select, and the sprite show on Sonic and Knuckles, Sonic 3. Now let's go on ahead and get started. So, I kind of recommend you play on one of these websites where they let you, restart the game without having to restart the whole page. Because I think if you reset the game from resetting the page, that'll probably just reset everything. So, it's recommended you play on the site that lets you restart right here. Alright, let's go. I'm just gonna use Tails. Why not? Okay. So, let's go on ahead and show you how to get the stage select right now. That's what we're gonna do right now. Never mind you. Okay, so you see this little swinging thing right here? What you're gonna do is grab on, and you're gonna press this combo. Left, 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 right, 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 up, up, up. So let's do that. And you'll hear a ring sound confirming you got that right. So now what we're gonna do is reset the game. So now, try going underneath the one player in the competition. I should have done it earlier, but hey, sound test appears now. So you got stage select. We're gonna click on that now. So technically, sound test lets you play any type of level in the game. You can play whatever you want to, whenever, however. So yeah, you got this now. So to unlock the debug mode, though, you have to go to Mushroom Hill, Act 1. Okay. Knuckles cutscene. Alright. That has nothing to do with debug mode, so whatever. Let's keep going. We'll play with that some other day. So now let's go on ahead and see. Let's go on ahead and see if we can get the debug mode. That's what we're gonna do now. Mind you, mosquitoes. So you see this little pulley thing right up here? You're gonna grab onto that and press the same thing you did earlier. Left, 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 right, 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 up, up, up. So let's do that. You'll hear another ring sound confirming you got that right. So let's reset the game once more. So now we should have stage select and the debug. Let me turn this down. We should have stage select and the debug mode. So let's go back to the sound test. Now you are free to play whatever zone you like. I'm finna just... Let's see, which one can I choose? I'm just gonna choose Marble Garden. So before you make your enter selection, before you select it, hold the S key while selecting it on your little keyboard. Hold the S key, then select it. Well, hold the S key and select it at the same time. So as you can see, we also got a... Oh, Jesus. I need to learn how to control that. Excuse me? Okay, I don't even know my life anymore. Alright, let's just... Where can I chill, bro? Every part is dangerous. Seriously now. Let me just get to the... Wow, okay, whatever. I think I'm supposed to... Oh, okay, this is good. Alright, so now as you can see, we already have this gravity changer. I forgot to mention that. That's new. We can change the gravity. So, you have to press the X button to go to the debug mode. So now, as you can see, we're a ring. You press the S button when you're in debug mode to change the item, and we press the Z to spawn it. Okay. Press the X to get out of it, and there you go. And now we have Hyper Tails, Super Tails, whichever he is. I'm not even sure, to be honest. So yeah, to be honest, I feel like this, hands down, is probably the easiest way to be unlocking hyper/super characters, especially super/hyper Tails. I can't even remember which one he is. Either way, this is probably the easiest way to get him, since he can mainly only be unlocked by collecting Chaos and Super Emeralds. So this is cool. Okay, back to the sound test. We're just gonna do something at random now. We're gonna do the sprite show. So, while you're in launch base, well, whatever place you want to go to, it doesn't even matter. Just hold the S button and press the enter button while making your selection, but it doesn't matter where you want to go. So what you want to do is, as soon as like you're wherever you want to be, when you press the Z button to jump, press the Z button and the X button, not at the same time, but like very close to each other, like ZX. The character will then go through a list of all their sprites. So, the same thing happens with Sonic, pressing Z and X really fast. And it can happen to Knuckles too. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I want to go over for this video. I don't know how the audio cut off, but let's not mind that. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!